Hi, I'm Ruth Jelley and I'm running for re-election as your Assistant Secretary for Professional Staff in the NTEU elections. Since 2022, I've been part of the team that has led the biggest statewide strike in NTEU history right here in Victoria. We've been driving the highest membership growth in the country. Together, we've secured new enterprise bargaining agreements at 7 universities, improving job security, ensuring safer workloads, and winning significant pay increases for all of our members. I've personally led campaigns against the cuts to work cover entitlements. I've boosted women's representation in the NTEU, and I have championed the rights of third space staff. I'm asking for your vote so that I can continue to fight for the things that matter in our workplace: better mental health at work, women's rights, and the respect that professional staff deserve. I stand for unity, for better conditions and fair pay, and more power in the workplace for all of us. Vote for me, Ruth Jelley, in the upcoming NTEU elections to promote the interests of all members across all of our branches here in Victoria. Let's keep pushing forwards together, united.